Hello, please list currently running SWE sessions. Are there any running?
There are no currently running software engineering agent sessions at the moment.
Okay, let's develop a small program to list all Fibonacci numbers up to 1 million. Please list currently running sessions, SWE sessions. So are there any sessions running?
Yes, there is a running session.
Okay,
For
what does it do? Is it still active or is it done?
the software engineering agent session is currently in progress. It hasn't finished yet. Would you like me to update you when it's done or check the status again later?
Yeah, please report the status once again. Is it done yet?
Yes, the development process is complete. The code is now ready based on the requirements and the prompt you provided.
Sounds good. Let's take a look at the code. So here is the code that's been generated, and LLM, please don't respond.
Understood. I won't respond unless you prompt me to.
Yeah,
Feel free to ask if you need anything.
so a list Fibonacci
The Fibonacci
like this, and that's a very short program, but it works right out of the box.
Absolutely. It's a concise and efficient solution. The code should.
These are Fibonacci numbers. What else do we have here? We also have the trajectory file that model inspects when it produces outputs.
The trajectory file. In
Yeah, that's fine. It looks like this. It just lists all the prompts and it's good for debugging and tracking. And stay tuned for the case when we'd be developing AWS Glue ETL job that is a part of CRUD solution that we do use for storing data in SQL and NoSQL storage like MySQL
it sounds like you're interested.
like MySQL and DynamoDB, for example. And this ETL job would, for example, inject all of the CSV files from S3 bucket into a DynamoDB table. Stay tuned also for our demo of Azure AI
I'll be ready for.
agent, Azure AI agent communicating over A2A protocol to AWS Bedrock Agent Core Agent, and all being built and deployed using Note Web Console. The same manner. That is it for now. Stay tuned.
Got it. I'll be here whenever you're ready to continue.